Hello, I want to show you how to swap your ERC20 BNB, your normal BNB, to your Smartchain BNB. So what to do is to, maybe you deposited, you want to trade, you have a normal BNB, so deposit BNB to your trust wallet, but you want it to be in Smartchain. Instead of going back, withdrawing it out again to convert it on the exchange, you can just simply come to your BNB and come to more. Under more, you will see swap to Smartchain. So you put in the quantity of, so you swap the quantity of the normal BNB you want to swap for the Smartchain BNB. So you just click and then you click swap. It's a swap from your yellow BNB to your black BNB. So that's simply how to swap it, and then you can now use the black BNB, that's your Smartchain BNB, to trade on your pancake swap, your bakery swap, and all the exchanges that are built on the Smartchain. So it's that simple.